I just pulled up here at Indian Motorcycle for demo days. Let's see what they got for us to ride. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Let's get a look at it. Yeah, that's a pretty sweet bike. I sure wouldn't mind having something like that someday. Forgot to turn the camera on, but now we got it on. Demo days. The Indian Elite. Let's roll. Almost forgot I'm recording. I haven't said a word. Man, I'll tell you what, this thing, once you get moving anyway, it's very comfortable. It's obviously, I guess if you're on a CBR 1000, it's a lot less weight when you're stopped getting going. You know, I mean, not like it's hard. The bike balances perfectly, but it's just a little bit more, you know, side-to-side action on the Indian Elite, which I guess the sales guy said there's only 200 of these made each year, so that is pretty elite. There's with the visor up. Can you hear it? Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, I would like to have a bike like this someday. Check out that sweet navigation.
That's a sweet bike right there.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Yeah. This is as high. I think this is as high as the windshield will go. You can put it down with this.
Yeah. Does this one have the modes, the tour mode and
Yes.
the sport mode and all that?
I've got it on standard.
Standard, that's fine. Yeah, tour was a little weak on that other one, but
yeah, this starts just like the other one every time.
oh yeah. like the way this bike sounds better than that other one, the Elite. The Elite was a little too quiet, but then I had it in tour mode instead of standard mode is what this one's in, I guess. Established in 1901. The sweetest bike company there is. One more time, the Indian Cheiftain Dark Horse. I like the look of that one. That sure is nice.